Thank you.
Sin gra Díireach mé nach is an Janach go nach únig éile het is savage le claimhan is éidir a léime si seo.
For what? A scrap of land and a promise of peace? Eivor, no! He should be tried before God, a lawful assembly.
Nach chéal Ubisoft Animals an sin, na glitches a
Won't
sin.
my reign begin with more blood spilt than is needed?
Cha talm sa grúic Oswald a bharach.
Another screeching skull. This man must die for the damage he has wrought. The old laws are clear.
These are Oswald's lands, to rule as king as he sees fit.
Does Eivor bow to kings?
To defy a king would shame him. East Anglia cannot heal without his honor intact.
And what of your honor, Eivor? How much are you willing to lose?
Ha mí smain sin gon glic sin le Oswald teanú na haigéirí ar hánig sin seo ar son daibh a chruúcha le Oswald agus le Anglia níiad. San neo sin dal a hachar spa sin dal dhéana sin. Fair spooky é Odin, is gon go
The
sa
rightful
sin
king
dal
of East
na
Anglia is
é
here
ana
alive
hea.
today, and so it will be.
Sa sin na chúis náre gas an
Passion is a
cuideach.
virtue suited for anyone, Eivor, including you. Thank you.
Ístús Oswald. Ístúsla. Hey. Smaint go sin é. Scílach Anglia an iad. Goite go bhfuil an chaniuh ile an áir again nach
I should speak with Oswald,
yeah.
see if he is well.
Thank you for heeding me, Eivor. I know the worth of such a gesture. All this is like a dream.
You are not asleep.
Well fought, the both of you.
You came as well, old friend.
If I'd known you were still alive, I would have stayed in Norwich.
Look around you. A happy occasion and a glorious victory.
And soon, something more grand to take place. A wedding, my love. If you will still have me, that is.
And why would I not?
I fought poorly. I melted under the heat and anger of that brute. And I never...
Oswald, stop. You fought with all your heart and soul. That's all you need ever do.
Come then. We have much to prepare for.
Tá na bailí ulig le chéile dhíos seug sin é.
A bride to wed and a kingdom to lead. But some men wouldn't give for such things.
Countless men have died for them. You, Finir, are you jealous of such things?
Hardly. My heart is afire, but my body aches. I desire only a long nap.
I saw a bale of hay.
Ha mí
that day.
ferach in sin na muí.
Now I must see to the room.
Then I will see you at the wedding.
Mood.
Of course you will.
Okay, goite go dé sin gan Banais seo seo.
I should return
Bhí
to
sin
Elmenham.
jedig
Oswald's
jedig
wedding will soon begin.
scéalach é seo. Cabile. Sin. Ach agus an uair sin bhí sin caran. Jedig a stream mis fan sin. Díach Banais seo. Agus sin é. Agus hí sin na hachras. Hí sin na hachras. Banais.
A beautiful and worthy celebration, my lord.
Thank you. May this feast set a spirited tone for East Anglia's future. Just like you to keep a king waiting at his own wedding.
Hís
But I
dúsa.
arrived in the end.
But part of me worried you wouldn't.
I told you I would see you crowned, and now here we are.
Without you, I'd be dead. Another wasted hope for East Anglia.
You look good, Oswald. Like a man about to marry a more powerful woman.
Do I? Because I'm nervous as hell.
Of all the battles a man can fight, the war against himself is the hardest to win.
Sin. Banais mianishach. Vianishach. So, J Collis ahead. So game a shock at you. Gerais gyda ffini'r na hackers. So chrys mi gyda. Fi'n fata nostalgiach Gaelic rí Bawri Valdas na rí Oswald. Which you need to eisiau. Fi'n swedi gyfel Valdas agos eifr nas coliche na ha eifr agos Prince Charming yn hynach. Simba. A lwg I beir gan thing. Shoshi. Gàidhlig Haniel is gwylior ac am mi ein banishin an Anglia yn years na mi yn ocean son eisiau gaif e few sio sgyd ffyr ys fi gyfeir
The rightful king of East Anglia, with this lady Valdes, soul, fist, and beauty of this land.
Anam Thorn is Pàirt. Sin, gyda. Happy ending eile.
You've done it, Stuart. A king now sits on the throne of East Anglia.
Don't leave yourself out of this song. We did it together.
Back to your dreams then, of fire and Helheim.
I lost my way some time ago. Hard to say when. I don't want to be here. I never did. This was half Death's dream. You ordered me to see it through. My dreams, I'm sailing, remember? Wind in my beard, salt on my lips. I want that drive again. Whether or not I find it, only time will tell. Until then, let us feast, drink, and forget our pain!